Namaskar. Advantages of joining Services Preparatory Institute Aurangabad will be covered in this video. Selection. The selection process of SPI Aurangabad ensures that the best gets a chance to join SPI. Once a student joins SPI, he studies and learns with the finest students from Maharashtra. Government Institute. SPI Aurangabad is run by the Government of Maharashtra. Not being a profit-making organization, fees is charged only as per the actual expenditure incurred by the students. Management. SPI is managed exclusively by the armed forces officers and staff as per the military ethos and values. The students get right environment to nurture and grow. Training at SPI Aurangabad. Training for excellence. Training at SPI Aurangabad ensures that along with CBSE board studies, a student's overall personality development also takes place. Classroom teaching. Extensive classroom teaching is conducted for CBSE 11th and 12th and UPSC NDA exam. Campus facilities. Being a residential academy, hostel accommodation and other facilities are provided. There is a common mess for all cadets. Computer lab. Outdoor training. Drill and parade inculcate discipline and improves bearing. Games and sports. Cadets are encouraged to play variety of indoor and outdoor games. Playing outdoor games has many advantages. Even those who are not used to playing games earlier learn and enjoy the team games once they join SPI. Physical fitness. Exercising in gymnasium helps the cadet to build strength. SSB interview. Training for SSB interview starts after declaration of the results of NDA written exam. Group tasks. Actual models of various group tasks are available for SSB interview preparations in SPI. Rope exercises. Rope exercises are part of SSB interview training. Individual obstacle course for SSB interview. Regular practice on individual obstacle course gives them an upper edge during SSB interview. Cultural activities. These activities provide an opportunity for recreation and show of talent. Adventure tour. Adventure activities like cycling expeditions, trekking, etc. help to inculcate the spirit of adventure. Green campus. Pollution-free SPI campus bestows healthy environment. Notable alumni. SPI has a strong alumni base and alumni support. Lifetime opportunity. 2 years stay in SPI Aurangabad guarantees a lifetime change. Top results. Due to consistent top results, SPI Aurangabad is one of the best residential institutes of our country for joining the National Defence Academy, Naval Academy, and other armed forces academies. Media coverage. Media coverage highlighting the achievements of SPI cadets can be seen. News published in the Times of India newspaper acknowledges that SPI cadets continue to rule defense cradle entrance exams. SPI Aurangabad top results. SPI Aurangabad is one of its kind academy in India and it continues to attract the best talent from Maharashtra state. Be the best, Join SPI Aurangabad. SPI exam guidance and coaching is available as per the details shown on this slide. Thanks for watching this video. If you have found this video useful, please like it, share it, and encourage promising students to join SPI Aurangabad. Jai Hind.